Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 25 how to download multiple photos from one post all at the same time on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and then make sure you're signed on to the account. Make sure we have a post with multiple photos. If you're not sure how to do that, go to the previous tutorial where I actually showed you guys how to make a post with multiple photos. And so click on this post. We have multiple photos. We will have to physically download all of these one after another. 3 dots, save the photo, save to the desktop. Second photo, 3 dots, save photo, desktop. Third photo, 3 dots, save photo, save. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.